In this video, we will be discussing the project integration management knowledge area, which is the glue that holds all the other knowledge areas together. It includes processes and activities that are required to ensure that all the project components are properly coordinated and integrated. The first process in project integration management is to develop a project charter. This involves defining the project scope and objectives, identifying stakeholders, and obtaining authorization to start the project. The second process is to develop a project management plan. This involves creating a detailed plan that outlines how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled. The plan includes information on project scope, time, cost, quality, human resource, communication, risk management, and procurement. The third process is to direct and manage project execution. This involves carrying out the project management plan, coordinating project resources, and managing stakeholder expectations. The fourth process is to monitor and control project work. This involves tracking project progress, comparing actual performance to planned performance, and taking corrective action as needed. The fifth process is to perform integrated change control. This involves reviewing and approving or rejecting changes to the project and managing the impact of these changes on the project. The final process is to close out the project. This involves formalizing project completion, obtaining acceptance of the project deliverables from stakeholders, and archiving project records. An example of the project integration management knowledge area in action is in the management of a construction project. The project manager would use the knowledge area to develop a project charter that outlines the scope and objectives of the project, identify stakeholders, and obtain authorization to start the project. The project manager would then develop a project management plan that includes information on project scope, time, cost, quality, human resources, communication, risk management, and procurement. The project manager would then direct and manage project execution, coordinating resources and managing stakeholders' expectations. The project manager would then monitor and control project work, tracking progress, comparing actual performance to planned performance, and taking corrective action as needed. The project manager would then perform integrated change control, reviewing and approving or rejecting changes to the project and managing the impact of these changes on the project. Finally, the project manager would close out the project, formalizing project completion, obtaining acceptance of the project deliverables from stakeholders, and archiving project records. And that's it for the project integration management knowledge area.